Hello, everyone. Do you want to speak English confidently, but you don't have time, money, or a teacher? Do you think, how can I practice English at home? If yes, then this video is for you. Today I will share easy, practical, and proven ways to improve English at home, even if you are a beginner. So let's start. Can you really learn English at home? Let me ask you a question. Can we really improve English at home without going to classes? Yes, 100% yes. Many people speak good English only by practicing at home. The secret is daily practice, not expensive courses. English is a skill and skills grow with practice. Now the most important rule, if you want to speak English, you must speak English. Even if your grammar is wrong, your pronunciation is not perfect, you feel shy, start speaking. Easy home practice. Talk to yourself in English. Examples. I am brushing my teeth. I am watching this video. Today I will practice English. This may feel strange, but it works very fast. Is speaking alone useful? Yes. Because your brain starts thinking in English. Many learners make one big mistake when they translate. Think in your language, translate into English. Think directly in English. Start with small sentences. Hungry? I am happy. I need water. Slowly, your mind will accept English naturally. Your phone is your best free English teacher. Simple tips. Change phone language to English. Watch English YouTube videos, slow English. Listen to English songs and repeat lines. Pause the video. Repeat sentences loudly. This improves listening, pronunciation, confidence. Now I'll share a simple daily routine. 15-20 minutes a day. 5 minutes. Speak about your day. 5 minutes. Learn 5 new words. 5 minutes. Make sentences. 5 minutes. Listen and repeat. Is 20 minutes enough? Yes, if you do it every day. Consistency is more powerful than long study. Learn vocabulary the smart way. Don't try to learn 50 words in one day. Learn 5 useful words daily. Example. Eat. Go. Happy. Work. Learn. Make sentences. I eat healthy food. I go to school. I am happy today. This method builds strong English step by step. Practice English conversations at home. You don't need a partner. Create fake conversations. Example. Hello, how are you? I am fine. How about you? I am learning English at home. Speak loudly. Confidence grows with sound. Use AI ChatGPT for English practice. AI can help you like a personal English teacher. You can practice conversations, correct grammar, learn new words, improve speaking confidence. Teach me English in simple words. Practice daily conversation with me and correct my mistakes. This is very powerful for home learning. Some people say, I feel shy. What should I do? Everyone feels shy at first. Speak alone first. Confidence will come. My grammar is weak, is it okay? Yes, fluency first, grammar later. How long will it take to improve? With daily practice, you will see improvement in 30 days. Remember this. You don't need perfect grammar, a foreign accent, expensive courses. You only need daily practice, confidence, simple methods. English is not hard, fear makes it hard. If this video helped you, I like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment, I will practice English daily. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep growing.